Hey everyone, welcome back to Moon and Mother. I'm Kyra. I'm a doula. I train through Doula International, and today we're going to talk about what doulas are, how we support birth, and what I personally do. So, first, we're going to start off with what is a doula? A doula is not a medical provider. We do not diagnose, we don't do any sorts of medical type things. We do provide emotional, physical, and educational support because being informed is a powerful tool. And we also focus on evidence based care that also plays a huge part in the educational aspects of things. We're going to teach you common interventions. We're going to go over birth preferences or birth plans. We can create those together. We can get you prepared and ready for birth by practicing labor positions, breathing techniques. We have birth affirmations, laboring affirmations. We have lactation affirmations. We have pregnancy affirmations. I carry around essential oils with me. I have a birth ball. I have massage balls. I have birth combs, which I absolutely love. If you are a doula or another birth worker, please go get yourself a birth comb to have in your bag for clients because it is the best tool ever. And I have a lot of people that have no idea what they are. And personally, when I had my children, I was squeezing the bed so hard. And I thought to myself, I was like, wow, these are such a great tool to have. And I also even went to the exercise section. And I don't know, I think they're called hand grips. And I think they're to train your hand strength. But nonetheless, I got some to add to my doula bag because I wanted to squeeze everything. And I discussed this with other people, and they also thought it was a great idea. I want to make it known that every doula is different, so always talk to different doulas. I personally have a free meet and greet that's on my website where you can book, and we can talk on Zoom so we can really get to know one another and see if we're a great fit. Because, maybe the vibes aren't there for one another, and that's okay. I can also help refer you to a doula who I might think fits your vibe. And that is all part of the community. I'm here to support other doulas, vice versa. And we want everybody to be supported in their birth. So even if I'm not a good fit or I'm not available, there is support for you. What does my personal labor and birth support look like? One, at 38 weeks, I am on call all the time. So when you are officially 38 weeks and the clock is ticking and you're wondering if this is labor and you're like, and you're on Google and you're searching, I want you to stop, pick up the phone, call me, text me, email me, Zoom me, however you want to contact me. You're going to do that. And I'm going to help you determine where you are in your stage of labor. I can meet you at your house if that's what you want me to do. I can meet you at the hospital birth center, wherever you're giving birth. I will meet you there. Wherever you want me to be, I will be there. And this is the perk of having a doula. And when we get to where we're going, when it's time and you're really laboring and the contractions are getting strong, I am going to do counter pressures, so like double hip squeezes. I am going to make sure you have gentle touch, massages, whether that's back massage, leg massages, whatever. Um, Again, I have essential oils to help calm you down if that is something that you are interested in. Some women don't want those smells. Everybody is different. I have the laboring combs and the squeeze grips, so if you're wanting to grip on something, I got those tools. I have massage balls, so if my hands aren't doing the magical trick, I have a ball that will really put in the pressure for you. Um, I am also there to support your other partner, so whether that's your spouse, your friends, your family, whomever is there with you, I want them to be as involved as they can be with your birth too, because this is as much of their experience as it is yours. So if you want them participating, I want to get them active. I want to get them involved. I want them to feel important and educated. So also during the prenatal visits, I want to ideally have them educated as well. I want them participating or at least reading some of the flyers, watching some of the videos, however they're going to consume that information on how to support you. I also have a free video presentation that you can download on my website, Moon and Mother Doula Care. Um, and it is all about advocating for in the birthing place. So when you are in active labor birthing and you're wondering how the heck do I advocate for myself in a medical setting, I want you to go download that and you'll have that resource and a quick reminder of how to speak up for yourself. It also covers how to advocate if the birthing person cannot speak for themselves. So these are all important topics, and there's so many more things that doulas do, so I will get into these in other videos. I am just a baby doula, so I am learning the content creation in and outs, and I thank you for joining.